Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm painting a mouse in a trompe-l'oeil style frame. I always begin with a couple coats of gesso. Then I either transfer my image or draw it freehand. I'm using a base coat on the mouse. It doesn't have to be exact because we're going to be going over it with quite a few other layers. Here I'm mixing up the color for my frame. I'm trying to get it as close to the rock color as I can, but you don't have to worry about being exact at this point because you'll be going over it with several washes anyway. Now I'm just mixing up a little pink for inside the ears and the nose. I'm just getting a base down for all the rest of the layers. Now I'm beginning the details in the framework, just getting an outline that I'll be going over with some washes and some more layers of paint. Now I'm beginning to do some of the fur details. Just make sure you do the small strokes in the way that the fur would naturally grow. It looks a little patchy at this stage, but it'll all come together. I'm starting to put some washes in over the darker areas of the mouse. Here I'm just putting a little bit of a blue wash in the white areas of the eyes. And then I'll also, once that dries, I'll come over and put just a little dot of white. This is more of washes in the dark areas. I want it to start to blend in with the black. I'm starting to add in some of the contours in the frame. I add several layers onto the back area where it's blending into the black. It looks more subtle this way instead of adding it all at once. It just wouldn't blend the same way. I'm stippling some of the details into the frame too because I want it to look a little rougher like stone. I messed up on the top of the frame. I had too many rings, so I just whited out the area and I'll start over again, adding some layers and making it work. Now I'm starting to bring out some of the highlights in the mouse. For the whiskers, I really want to make those stand out, so I just use straight white. Now I'm going over the whole frame with a wash of color. It'll be the first of several. Be sure to let it dry thoroughly before you add the next wash. Now I'm stippling on the white to make it a little bit rougher in all of the highlighted areas. One last coat of a wash over the dark areas, and then I'll let him dry overnight and give him a couple coats of acrylic varnish. Thanks for hanging out and painting this mouse with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next video.